In this short video, I'm going to show you my solution to securing the Aputure light controller box onto a C-stand or a light stand. So, let's get right to the intro and start this video. Hi, this is Bill the Techno Gypsy. Have you ever had that problem when you're working with your wonderful Aputure lights on both the 120Ds and the 300Ds that you go to hang the controller and you end up putting this onto a handle on your C-stand or on your light stand and it dangles? Well, there is a solution that you can buy that's pre-made, that's pretty expensive, especially when you assume that for a 120D you need one unit, for the 300 and the 600s you're going to need 2 units. So, let me show you what I came up with. It cost about $25. Bought the parts on Amazon, and I'll show you how I resolved this myself. So the parts that I picked up from Amazon were this Nicey Rig multifunctional cheese easy plate kit with V-lock male adapter for rail blocks, dovetails, and short rods. This was $15.99 in single quantity. The other component I picked up is a small rig super clamp. This is a 2-pack magic arm clamp for DJI Ronin camera monitor LED light. These also are $15.99, but you get 2 for that price versus 1 for the cheese plate. So now, how did I resolve this? It's very simple. Take the cheese plate. We're going to remove the V-lock. Take a standard 1/4-20 screw, put it into one of the slots, align it with the super clamp, screw it in. I moved mine in to the middle, make sure they're level, tighten the screw to the clamp, then we take the V-lock plate, put it back on, and now we have a very nice clamp adapter that can fit onto a C-stand or a light stand. And with the V-lock battery connect here, we take our Aputure light, lock that into the V-lock mount, and now you can securely mount your light controller module. Like I said, on the 120 lights, you need 1 of these. On the 300s, you're going to need 2. But at $25 a piece, that's really a very, very low-cost, simple solution for the problem. I have done this on all of my lights that I have in my studio, and it makes traveling with the Aputure lights so much better than the old days when I would take this fabric loop and hook it onto a C-stand handle or onto a light stand handle, and this module would be moving around, which is not real comfortable when you're moving your lights around. So, I hope you've enjoyed this video and found it useful. If so, please like my channel and give me a thumbs up on a like. This is Bill the Techno Gypsy saying 7-3, and God bless.